Hello, welcome to my home lab. In this new video, I'm going to create a Java project, Hello World, as a Docker app. Going to use Visual Studio Code and a remote SSH. First thing we do is to install Java. Choose OpenJDK. Therefore, you go to the command line, do SSH to our Fedora server, and we're in. First, we create a directory for Java. We do ls. You see we have directories from previous videos and programming from the Python Hello World. So we go inside programming. And create and kadir Java, a new directory. And you see we have Java and Python. Next, we do an update from the system. If we want to install new software, it's best to update the system. So sudo dnf update refresh. Password, because we use sudo. You see, nothing to do. The system is up to date. Now we look what kind of OpenJDK is available for us. We do that with sudo dnf search OpenJDK. As you can see, we have a whole list from Java 21 and latest. Because we want to develop software, we choose for Java 21 OpenJDK devel from development 8664. You see here OpenJDK 21 development environment. So we're going to install that. I copy the command, go down, and we paste it. So sudo dnf install Java 21 OpenJDK develop 8664. Enter. See, we're going to install a lot of dependencies and the OpenJDK development environment. We do yes, we accept, and it's going to take some time. I come back when everything is installed. Java is now installed, and we look at the version. So we do Java version. Enter, and you see we have OpenJDK 21.0.7 from 2025 15 of 4 month. See OpenJDK runtime environment. Now we can go to Visual Studio Code to create an Hello World Java project. We open Visual Studio Code and do a remote connect current Windows to host. We choose our Fedora server, as from previous videos. Take a minute, and you see we are connected. First, look to the extensions and search for Java. See here we have the extension pack for Java. Click on it. It's from Microsoft, and it downloaded and very popular. We install it. You see it's an extension pack, so we install a lot of things. Install, only take a minute. Everything is properly installed. and we can use it. We can close that, remove Java, and we see, go a little up, see, we have container tools, the Java tools, and Python tools for our SSH remote development. Now we can go to our Explorer, open folder, see, home folder, programming, and the Java we just created. Okay, and we're in. Now we can create our Hello World Java project and test it out. We remove the welcome screen and create new file, test.java. See, we have already the icon. I've prepared a little code, copy it, remove all that, and paste it out. So what we have public class test, because the name is test. Then we have a public static void main. We print hello from my home lab, Java OpenJDK version 22. We run that endlessly because while true, and we do here a sleep of 5 seconds. We do Control S to save it. See that save is gone. We click on test and select run Java. Click on it, open the terminal, and we see we have the first time hello from my home lab, Java OpenJDK version 21, and repeats every 5 seconds. So the program is working. Now we can create our Dockerfile and create a Docker container. Now we can create a Dockerfile, Dockerfile with capital D, see, we have the right icon, enter, prepared some code. Again, very simple, paste it from OpenJDK 21, the working dir again is up, copy all the current directory to app, so all these files, run Java C, so we compile the test Java, entry point, Java test. So I'm going to create here a second test file and run it. Control S, save it, and build it. Copy the commands. Docker build. We give it a different name than the previous video. This time we start with Java, and again the dot at the end. Never forget this one. Enter. Here. And it's finished. The image is ready. Now we show you image, Docker images. See here, Java hello from my home lab. The hello from my home lab is from the last video. Now we can run it. Docker run IT. So we see the output in the console. And again, the name Java hello from my home lab. So this one. Enter. And you see the text hello from my home lab, Java OpenJDK version 21 every 5 seconds. Leave it, run it. Now we can go to containers and see here the Java hello from my home lab container. We can open it, look to the files, again the app directory, open it, and you see we have 3 files. Dockerfile, this one, the test Java with this one, and the test class is the debugged version of the Java class. In the next video, we're gonna create a hello world again, but with Node.js. This was it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you very much and see you later.